Number 3, the figure below shows a square separated into 7 pieces of an ancient puzzle called the tangram. If the area of the entire square is 1 square unit, what's the area of each of the 7 tangram pieces? Okay, outside is a square, and this is a diagonal line. If we add one little extension here, we know that for squares, diagonal line would separate this square into 2 equal pieces. Then we add another diagonal line, so we would separate the square into 1, 2, 3, and 4 equal pieces. Therefore, A and B are each a quarter of the square. And for the lower part, this entire big right-angled triangle is half of the area of the total square. But we have inside all these 5 pieces. Let's add a few more lines here to separate them into equal triangles so that it will be easier for us to count. So we have 2 equal, basically once we added all these lines, we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal triangles. So therefore, each of this little triangle is 1/8 of half of a square. Okay, so each one is 1/16 of the total area of the squares. So C now is 1/16. D has 2 equal triangles, so therefore D is 1/8. E is the same as C. F is the same as D, so it's 1/8. And G as well, they have 2 triangles, therefore it's 1/8 as well. Number 5. To make a baking pan, a tinsmith is planning to cut the largest possible circular disc from a square sheet of tin that measures 30 centimeters on each side. What will be the approximate area of the leftover scraps of the tin? Okay, so we cut the circular shape out of this square. The leftover is very hard to measure, but we can use the square area of a square minus the area of the circle. So area of the square is very easy to calculate. It's a 30 centimeter multiply 30 centimeters. The area for a circle that we have learned before is pi multiply radius square. What is the radius here for this circle? This is a diameter. Diameter for a circle is 30 centimeters. Therefore, the radius is half of it. So radius is diameter divided by 2, which is 15 centimeters. We can plug the 15 centimeters in here and calculate so the total area difference is 900 centimeter square minus pi 15 centimeters square. So that's the area for the leftover. Okay, another question. The figure here shows a plan for cutting a piece of tin shaped like a quarter of a circle that measures 30 centimeters on each side out of this square. So this problem is almost exactly the same as the problem that we just saw. Instead of having a full circle cut out, you cut out a quarter of a circle. So now the circle has a radius of 30 centimeters. The leftover now is going to be 30 centimeters multiply 30 centimeters, which is the area for the square, minus the quarter of the area for the circle, pi r squared. This r now is 30 centimeters. So the students can figure this out.